Guys, welcome back to Travel with Official, and today we are in one of the most favorite place tourist destination of Cambodia, and we were planning to come here from very long.
We are already here. We are at finally Siem Reap.
So we are in Siem Reap, so let's explore Siem Reap. See you. This is the sleeping Buddha on Kulen Temple, Kulen Mountains in Siem Reap. See the one difference. Please don't write anything, and it's written everywhere. So guys, this is the Kulen Mountain waterfall. Guys, this is the biggest fall in Kulen Mountain. Guys, this is 1,000 lingas and the statue of Vishnu here. It's inside the flowing water, man. Like how they could have created this. Yeah, there is like a Agni Kund and whatever we say, right? Yeah. There's a lot of lingams and then Vishnu idol. Hey guys, welcome back once again. Now we are going to visit Floating Village. We are going to take a boat from here and they will take us to the Floating Village. It will be a ride through all the village that they have. How you guys are feeling? Hey guys, so today we are in one of the beautiful place in Cambodia, which is Angkor Wat. You can see behind us. And with us today we have Rakesh.
Hi.
And Suparna.
And
I'm
Suparna.
Suparna.
And it's a long walk, so let's walk. Come on.
Let's start.
Let's just start our journey.
You can come back tomorrow, Bob, to see sunrise with us.
And you see the hole from bullet.
Bullet.
Civil War, yes. Yes. But they had a hole in the stone to move the stone from the quarry by people and by the elephant. This is a gate called Elephant Gate.
Okay.
The gate for common people.
And what is this?
This is what we call the room of the god.
This is a nice reflection of temple in the water, and this is also sunrise place where we see sunrise here. It's a really nice shot.
And then if you look up to the tower, the pediment, you
Yeah.
can see the picture of the monkey army.
Yeah.
So Hindu mythology,
Uh-huh.
so the picture of the Hindu mythology.
Hanuman.
Or Ramayana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Angkor Wat temple, the entire story of Mahabharata, like when the last battle happened in Kurukshetra, right? So that's the sculpture of the entire story of Mahabharata in this wall. See how minute the designs are, how clearly they do it. This is nice, amazing. Like you can see everything over here, and these are all hand sculpted.
And by Indian mythology, say that they built for visited this temple, and they saw a lot of statue Buddha in this gallery, and then they named 1000 Buddha Gallery.
Oh, this is 1000 Buddha Museum.
The man on your chest.
Guys, this is Eco Tower of Angkor Wat, where you can hear the drum beat by just beating your heart.
What you can do for blessing. Sibling, broken bone, Siva.
This is the main temple premise. So, and this is the stair from which you need to climb here, come up, and this is for going down. This is for coming up. Bye. Okun. Yeah, we live there. We have reached the Bayon temple now. Let's go inside. Here is the Bayon temple. Yeah, bro. Hot bomb. So we are going back to Phnom Penh now from Siem Reap, and we have taken this bus from Siem Reap to Phnom Penh through MGQ, and there was a cabin, sleeping cabin here.
It's a quite good space. Yeah, we fit in completely very nicely. And if you sit also, then also you have a space enough. So if you want to sit, that's also fine. They have provided a pillow with blanket and
Water,
good light, aircon, and this beautiful night light.
So one more thing, if you are traveling, we would suggest to take a upper deck seat so that you will have a window to look on the roads and you will get some nice views. So it's a 6-hour journey. We'll reach Phnom Penh by morning 4 o'clock.
4:30.
Yeah.
We also have a charging point over here, and Yeah, there's a washroom facility also.
Yes, there's a washroom also. So okay, we'll take a bye and
And hope you like our Siem Reap trip. It's just a 2 days trip, so we haven't visited all the places. We'll visit again sometime. Okay, till now,
bye. Take care.
do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Bye bye. Good night.